Gina London, internationally recognized communications expert, author, and keynote speaker. And welcome to Module 5, Leading High-Performance Teams. This curriculum was designed by experts and does align with my own practice-based executive training programs, which are designed to help you better manage and inspire teams. During this module, you will learn specifically about groups of people that need to work as a real team to produce results that could not be achieved through those individuals working alone. You will also uncover the fundamentals of teams and the characteristics of high-performing teams before forensically examining how we need to see teams as living systems in order to truly understand them. Following on from this, how we can diagnose a team's current system, its norms and behaviors, and how we can build a team system that can move towards high performance and then maintain that system will also be uncovered. At the end of this module, you will understand the nature of real teams, understand the characteristics of high-performing teams, understand the nature of team systems, establish an understanding of the leadership style required of leaders in high-performing teams, and establish an understanding of how leaders can cultivate a high-performing team system and culture. And finally, apply the theory of high-performing teams to a team within your own organization. So, what is a team, and is team working always required?